everyone to my channel. It's your girl, One Honey Bell. We're here today. We're going to cook some curry chicken. Yes, nice curry chicken today. I'm going to show you. I season my chicken and I have the basic things like I put carrots and onion and scallion, a little parsley, and most of all important, some curry powder. I cut up my chicken. I told you that in my last video I told you how I cut up my chicken, and you could use this knife, a little chopper that you can handle on the board, a cutting board, and you cut your chicken in small pieces. When you're currying chicken, you're not supposed to have like big pieces. You have small pieces like this. And now I'm going to put some olive oil. As I told you, I'm trying to cook healthy. And so I have my olive oil here. And I put just a little bit because, you know, sometimes with the chicken, it has a little fat. So you don't need a lot of olive oil. And then I'm going to put, how can I leave out my coconut oil? It's one of the best oil. This is for flavor as well as it's good for you. And so I'm going to put some coconut oil in my curry chicken. That's what's cooking in One Honey Bell kitchen today. Curry chicken. Yes, I'm just listening to my music and just having fun with my family. And after that, you're going to like cover. You're going to cover it and let it turn on your stove. You turn on your stove to like, you're going to put it high, and then you're going to turn it up after it starts boiling and bubbling. You're going to turn it back. You're going to turn it like to medium, and then when it starts cooking down, then you turn it to low. This might need a little water, like maybe quarter cup, half cup. But for right now, I'm just steaming it with its own steam and its own juice. So you don't really need any water right now. If in the end it's not finished, it's tough, you can put on some hot water on it, like a half cup of water. Depends on how much chicken you have. But I will show you my curry chicken later. I'll come back. As you see, I told you that I'm going to show you how my curry chicken is looking. And it's looking quite well. It's finished. It's almost finished. It's bubbling and looking real nice. You don't have to put any cornstarch because right now I don't need anything like that. My gravy is thick enough because you use like carrots and you can put like a potato in there, white potato, so it can give you some nice gravy. And right now we're ready to eat. And you can have this with white rice, potato, some vegetable alone. If you're weight loss, you can have it with like broccoli or, you know, just vegetable. And I'm going to show you how pretty it looks. It looks so nice. And I just want to, I can't resist it. I just want to taste a piece and show you how soft and it is. And make sure it's cool before you taste. And I'm going to taste my curry chicken. Yeah. This was so good. And I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye. Mwah.